Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk-around. Thanks for taking a look. This is the 2017 the Ford Fusion. Stock number is 20316A. Let's give you that virtual video walk-around showing you this vehicle up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. Take notice of the exterior condition. No dings, no dents, no scrapes, no scratches. This vehicle comes equipped with the 6-speed automatic transmission, 2.0 liter motor, 4-wheel disc brake, ABS braking system, and ample room on the rear, lots of leg room, and you can tell the front, you're going to see leather loaded, easy access to all the controls within arm's length. Nice little economical vehicle. For more information on this vehicle or any others in our inventory, call us, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person. Better yet, hopefully earn your business. This is Scott saying make it a great day. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.